This is Jane with Saddletree Customer Care. Here are a few quick tips to get your home ready for the coming colder weather. To ensure proper airflow to the fireplace, inspect the vents to make sure they're clear of debris. Walk around the perimeter of the home and make sure water will drain away from the foundation. Clean gutters and confirm the downspouts daylights are clear and drain away from the house. Prevent frozen water damage to your plumbing. Shut down and drain your sprinkler system. Remove hoses from hose bibs. Check the fit of your exterior doors. Remember, your threshold is adjustable. Inspect the seal on the bottom and make sure it is in good shape. Check caulking inside and out. Touch up as needed to prevent drafts. Make sure your air returns aren't blocked by furniture. Open duct registers in rooms that are typically colder and closed duct registers in rooms that are typically warmer. Make sure your furnace is ready for colder weather. Run it to make sure it's functioning. HVAC companies are easier to schedule for service now than when the first freeze happens. Check your April air filter and make sure it's not too dirty. Check your water heater filter too and clean it with warm water. Lubricate all moving parts on your garage door, hinges, springs, and wheels. Caulk concrete cracks and control joints in your concrete to prevent damage from freeze and thaw. Remember to remove ice and snow from concrete as soon as possible to prevent spalling. Do not use ice melt products.